Welcome to the Office of Summer and Winter Sessions tutorial on the registration process. This video will provide instructions on how to register for classes at Rutgers. Once you are ready to register for a course, proceed to WebReg, Rutgers' online web registration system. To access WebReg, visit webreg.rutgers.edu. There are multiple ways to log into WebReg depending on your student status. The most common way for Rutgers students is by using a NetID. If you have an active NetID, you can use the top NetID login button to proceed. Visiting students should log in using their RUID and personal access code that was provided via email upon completing the visiting student application. Once logged into WebReg, select the term that you would like to register for. Then, on the left-hand side, you will see this section where you can add your course by the index number that you noted when searching the schedule of classes. Another option is that you can search for your chosen class similarly to the schedule of classes if you forgot your index number. Search either by the drop-down menu or keyword search. Some courses may indicate that they require a special permission number, also called an SPN, to register. You may contact the offering department to learn more about their policy regarding SPNs. Once you have found your course, expand the course and select Register on the right-hand side. This will pre-fill out the box with the index number of your course. After that, click the Add Course button, which will register you for the course. Once registered, your course should be populated in the right-hand section. At the top, you should also be able to see how many credits you are attempting that term. This concludes our tutorial on how to register for a course. If you need further information on the other steps of the registration process, please view our other videos in the registration playlist.